Yeah, this is called eating meals out of Kongs and Chew Toys. And I just think he really, really likes it. He has a lot of fun. And he cleans up after himself nicely. Silly baby, huh? Now he goes back to the other containers. Silly puppy, so cute. Takes him a lot longer to eat this way too, which is a huge plus. Look at the tail. Happy tail, happy tail. Silly baby. There's tons of kibble left in the entry hall, baby. Come look. Look. Devin. Look. Devin. Hey. Sweetheart. Silly puppy. You've left a huge pile of kibble in my entryway. Devin. Come here. Come here. Come look. Look at all of it. Oh, jackpot! Hey, look, there's more! Jackpot! Anyways, that's my cute baby getting fed out of Kong.